Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to delete your Facebook account on PC. If you're looking to permanently remove your Facebook account, we're here to guide you through the process. Let's begin. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile photo. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select Settings and Privacy and click on it. Step 4. Another drop-down menu will appear. Choose Settings from the list and click on it. Step 5. Scroll down until you find See More in the left sidebar and click on it. Step 6. From the expanded menu, select Personal Details and click on it. Step 7. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Account Ownership and Control. Step 8. From the options, select Deactivation or Deletion and click on it. Step 9. Choose the profile you wish to delete from the list. Step 10. Confirm your decision by selecting Delete Account and click on Continue. Step 11. Enter cause of deletion. Provide a reason for deleting your account. Step 12. Finally, click Continue to proceed with the deletion process. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Facebook account on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.